Alright, so for this question we have two parts. The first part is a spring question, so part A. We're told that the natural length of a spring is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters is also equal to 0.2 meters. We're told that this 25 newtons of force is required to keep it stretched to the length of 30 centimeters. So that is 0.3, so 30 centimeters, so 0.3 meters, or the difference between the two is 0.1 meter. And this is with 25 newtons. Alright? So how much work is required to stretch it from 20 to 28 centimeters? So that is 0.08 centimeters difference, or meters, my bad. Meters difference. So firstly, you're going to use the equation of 25 newtons equals K. And we're going to use this difference, so 0.1 meters. This is newtons. And then we're going to find that K equals 250. So we're going to do that is you're going to make the integral, so it's going to be integral 0.08, and since we're stretching it from natural length to 20, it's going to be 0 on the bottom, 250 x. So this is going to be equal to 250 over 2, which is equal to 125. So 125 x squared, 0.08 and 0. So we're going to plug in 0.08 to x, so 125 0.08 squared, and we're going to get that the answer, and since this is 0, 0 times that is 0, so we're going to get that the answer is 0.8 joules. So that's the first part. Alright, so the second part is we're going to use intermediate value theorem to find the values of c on the equation f of x equals x minus 2 squared on the interval 1 to 4. And then, so that's what you have to do. So first thing you do, you have to find the average. So that is the integral of this equation. So integral from 4 to 1. Yeah, 4 to 1. X minus 2 squared. And this is going to be over the amount of spots between there. So b minus a, which is 3. So the integral of that over 3. So the integral 4 to 1 of x minus 2 squared equals integral 4, 1, x squared minus 4x plus 4 dx. I forgot my dx's. Alright, dx, which is equivalent to x cubed over 3. So x cubed over 3 minus 4x squared over 2. So 4 would so that would reduce to 2x squared and 4x. So plus 4x from 1 to 4. Alright, so now we're going to plug in the numbers. So you get 4 cubed is 64 over 3. 64 over 3. 4 squared is 16 times 2 is minus 32 plus 4 times 4, so plus 16 minus 1 over 3 minus 2 plus 4. Now we need to find common denominators. So this is equal to 64 over 3 minus 96 over 3 plus 48 over 3 minus 1/3 minus 3 or 6 over 3 plus 12 over 3. So with that, we're gonna add and subtract the fractions. So you get parentheses. This comes out to 16 over 3 minus this, which comes out to 7 over 3. This gives you 9 over 3, which equals 3. So this is divided by 3, so this is over 3, and you get 1. Alright, so now we're going to use the intermediate value theorem. And by that we know that we can place the x up here with c. So c, or the f of x with c, yeah. So f of c equals c minus 2 squared, which equals that. So that equals, and it equals the average, which equals 1. So we're going to FOIL this out. So c squared minus 4c plus 4 equals 1. And move the 1 over, so c squared minus 4c plus 3 equals 0. The factors of this is c minus 3, c minus 1 equals 0. So this we get c equals 3, c equals 1. Both c equals 3 and 1 fit in our domain. Therefore, the two values of c are 3 and 1.